Hey, what's up, everyone? Just sitting here watching my main man, Jaycation, doing his thing, and I just got a notification that my Jordan 12s have come in. My first pair in 26 years, so I want to go see what it's all about. Check out Jaycation, he's so chill. Miami Beach, he in Vegas. That's my man. All right, let's go see the shoes. FedEx says it was delivered. And if I know FedEx, they're probably going to be at the front garage. All right, let's go see. Let's go see. Walking around, and yep, here they be. All right, let's go see what we got here. 26 years in waiting. The time has come. True. Oh yeah. Been too long of a wait. 26 years. I just didn't get the luck of the draw on the Sneakers app, and I didn't want to pay that open market pricing like at StockX or whoever's selling. I didn't care. I wanted to get a pair from Nike directly, and I finally got it. Time to try these puppies on.